Hi.
Hi, my name is Jigabish Yusuf Nam. I'm in the school of grade 4. My favorite color is blue, and today I'm going to play You Are God from the beginning to the end. Hi, Daddy. My name is Adisa. My favorite color is yellow.
Alright.
Hi, Daddy. You are God from beginning to end. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. You are God
You are God from beginning to the end.
There's no place for argument.
You are God all by yourself.